Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for World Test Championship final. It is going to be played on 18th of June till 22nd of June 2021 at Southampton in England. So these are the cards for Indian team, these are the cards for New Zealand team. Now looking at the cards, 18th June day, good for India, not good for New Zealand. 19th June, again, looks like good for India, not good for New Zealand. 20th June, not good for India, good for New Zealand. 21st, very good for India, okay, average for New Zealand. Last day, 22nd of June, Three of Cups, celebration, Tower card. So, out of 5 days, India will have 3 good days and New Zealand will have 2 good days. So looks like pretty even. And the last day card for New Zealand, Tower card. So again, looks like there are high chances of this rains. High chances of rains in this match, because here also I can see this card also indicates somewhere difficult to travel, rain. So there will be some rains during this test match, which is going to certainly affect the outcome. Now then I asked, how will be the overall performance of Indian team against New Zealand and vice versa. So these are the cards for New Zealand and these are the cards for Indian cricket team. So again looks, Indian team's performance against New Zealand looks good. New Zealand team performance against India, okay, not bad. Cards are not bad. So what can be the best possible result of this match? That's what I asked. Whether India win or New Zealand win or draw. So for draw, I got this card, Justice card. That only draw is a result which will do justice, because both the teams have been doing very well in their previous encounters with other teams. They had done all the hard work to reach the final, and if the rain interrupts, then there will be a joint winner, and that's what will do justice, draw. But again, then I checked for Virat Kohli and Kane Williamson. So luck factor is good for Virat Kohli and not so good for Kane Williamson. But yes, overall Indian team's performance will be good. So all I can say is keep your fingers crossed. I'll give 55% winning chances to India, or yes, 55% winning chances to India, 45% to New Zealand. And personally I feel that draw will, if this test match ends in a draw, so that will be the best result. That's what I feel looking at the cards. If you are new to my channel and if you have not subscribed till now, so please do subscribe and also press the bell icon to get the regular notification. Thank you.